Have you ever failed so badly that you thought your dream was over? What if your biggest failure is actually your turning point? What if failure wasn't stopping you, but preparing you? What would you do if life gave you nothing? No family, no support, no safety net. Can someone with zero support still become successful? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where ordinary people create extraordinary change. This is Pooja's story. Pooja learned the meaning of silence very early. An orphanage taught her how loneliness sounds, and how dreams whisper even louder in the dark. While other children played with toys, Pooja played with torn clothes. In broken fabric, she saw beauty waiting to be stitched. Her fingers bled. The cloth tore again. Failure visited her first. But it didn't take her courage away. That letter wasn't just an admission. It was proof that pain hadn't defeated her. For the first time, hope felt real. Days were for college. Nights were for survival. While the city slept, Pooja worked, dreams resting in her tired eyes. She didn't study fashion to impress anyone. She studied it to escape poverty. Every sketch carried a silent promise. One day, this will change my life. The lights were bright, but her world felt empty. No parents, no applause, just her and the dream she refused to abandon. Talent wasn't enough. Degrees weren't enough. Rejections piled up. And failure knocked harder than ever before. That night, Pooja made a decision. If the world wouldn't give her a chance, she would create one herself. No investors. No brand name. Just an old sewing machine. And a heart that refused to quit. Electricity failed. Money failed. But Pooja didn't. In candlelight, she stitched her future. Some nights, hunger sat beside her. Tears fell silently. But her jaw stayed clenched. Failure was painful. But quitting hurt more. One message. One order. Not a miracle. A reward for surviving failure. Success didn't make Pooja proud. Purpose did. She taught others what failure had taught her. Skills create freedom. Failure didn't break Pooja. It built her. Because success isn't born from comfort. It's born from courage that survives failure. Failure is not the end. Failure is the key. If failure built her success, what could it build for you? Will you quit because you failed, or rise because you learned? What dream are you still afraid to try because of failure? Is failure really the end, or just the beginning? After hearing her story, will you still be afraid to fail? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.